Hello, my people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I greet the house. I greet everybody, my busy people. My people, it don't set again for inside life. Oh, hey, not even we no go use this our year here. Oh, una don't hear the latest. E be like say una never hear the latest. May I give una small update. Hey, as a proco when I be my people, una know now. Say as e dey happen, I must come here come talk am. As I proco when we be. As we come dey waka for inside social media this Sunday morning, then we come jam our America in-law, Korra ex-husband. Hey! Una see the bomb when that man drop nana. Hey, my people. The bomb e even shock me. Make una hear. The man say, make una leave them alone. He say no get anything apart from e children, two girls na im be thing. Make una leave am alone. He know say social media, he know as social media dey work, but make una talk put for the matter well. He say una don pursue him wife, our America in-law, Korra ex-husband. Dr. Justice Dean say una don pursue him wife. Make una leave am alone. Make una no dey chook una mouth put for him matter. Say he don tire for Nigeria women. He say he don tire for Nigeria people. Una don spoil the relationship. Now he na single father. He say una don turn out to single father. Nigeria women, make una leave Korra and him ex-husband alone. Make una focus on una own. Like we can never focus. Anywhere when food dey, na there you go see Nigeria people. I wish they talk put for that matter now. They know they get view. They know they get style. If for good. Now they no wan leave Korra and him ex-husband alone. 5 years coming, una see this matter go still dey on social media. The man don cry out say make una leave am alone. Make una no dey use him with the children. They make money for social media again. Say he no like am. Make una no dey use am with the children. They make money. They spoil Korra name, all the name of making video. Hey, my people! As I hear this one, my ear make go say, so Facebook doctor. The man don provoke as he see say Korra carry man come out. Korra carry wetin I call like Korra carry Jesus Christ as a boyfriend come out, cute and sexy. Hey, cutest. No be small. The guy, if you see his 6-pack, omo, you go dey dread. As Korra carry America Jesus Christ come out, na this man provoke come out say, una be say as Korra leave me, Korra no go see another man. Now, Korra don carry second Jesus Christ come out. Now, second Jesus Christ come be Korra boyfriend. Make una leave me, make una leave me and my ex-wife alone. Make una no dey use me and my children. They make money for social media again. Nigeria women, Africa women, na very bad thing for una. Una go hide una own for inside house. Una dey destroy people own. Make una try change. Una own don too much. Make una change. Nigeria women, Africa women, especially our Nigeria women. Make una change. Make una no dey use person name dey do ilalobo again. E dey very bad. E dey very bad. The man don cry come and say, abeg, make una no dey use me dey do ilalobo again. My people, may not be say I dey lie you. I go play the audio for now. Make una listen.
Protect me.
My people, may una listen.
That's their job. Protect me and the public, and I have posed no harm to the public.
Okay.
I'm an educator.
Okay.
So, yes, there's no more Team Justin, Team Korra. I never promoted that in the first place. I never supported that. It's Team Athena in June. And if you're on their team, creating bigger problems between my ex and I, or the bloggers, or anything, you're part of the problem. So I encourage all of you to be positive, loving and share love, not hate. Okay? Okay? That's my...
God bless you, my dear. You don't talk your own. It's left for them to take wetin you don't talk. No more Team Justice and Team Korra. Make una leave these people alone, for crying out loud, my people. Make una leave this young couple, even though they're not gay. Man and woman they say they married before. They can't leave each other. They will be friends. Why una dey push them? Una dey push them, they push them, they push them. Now Korra don carry second Jesus Christ as a boyfriend. Now make our brother, our American in-law come cry, come and say, make una leave them alone. Make una leave me and my ex alone. No more see my daughters. Bloggers, presenters, Nigeria women. Now Korra ex-husband pass this message for. I know say most of them now they will pretend like say they don't see this message when this man do. They will still come out. Justice is a good father. Justice is this. Justice is this. Justice is that. I know say they go pretend because without those two people, Korra and his ex-husband, no view for their page or no view for their channel. They no get view. So they must use those two people to get view. My people, now small they tell they do something. When you use person small, you go leave that person. You must not be destroying person because you they make money out of it. It dey very bad. Make una try, make una change, make una leave these two people alone. Even though say they not they marry each other again, they get children, which they need to like pretend to their children, say they see they. The children need to they see two of them together, their dad and their mom, even though they are not together. Now, so they say they do it before. Our Nigerians women on social media, so-called presenters, they can't turn out to another thing. These two people divorce, una can't turn two of them to enemy. This one go hide, go call the woman. This one go hide, go call the man. Do one like this. Everywhere wanna go, na katakata they enter. Katakata everywhere. Anywhere wanna enter na wahala. Make una change. The man say make una leave them alone. Leave me and my ex. Abi una no hear. He say make una leave me and my ex alone. Me I play am again if una no hear.
Dana in June, and if you're on their team, creating bigger problems between my ex and I, or with the bloggers, or anything, you're part of the problem. So I encourage all of you to be positive, loving, and share love, not hate.
Thank you.
Okay?
You have done your part.
That's my...
It's left for them to do their own duties and leave you guys alone. Make them not they disturb una again. You don't do your part as a man. When get problem, na two of he with the woman get, he with the ex-woman, na two of them get problem for social media. These people don't they cry for una since they may una leave me and my no relationship they perfect. Una when they come social media, come they cry. They say Korra na adulterous woman. Justice na this. Una not they perfect. Una get husband for us. Now every day una husband they bro na I come out. Una call they chook my poo for another person relationship because they carry on social media. Now the man don't cry come out. Now if I carry the matter on social media. Now he don't tire for now. Una talk. Say make una leave me and my ex alone. Mona for another topic they talk. Leave me and my ex alone. My people, una yera. Who yera may tell never hear. Say, our American in-law, Korra ex-husband, say, make our presenters, so-called presenters, Nigeria people, Africa people, when they carry person matter, take the chop for social media. Now the man don't cry, come and say, make una leave them alone. That on our first warning. Una know American people now say their head, if they run sco. Now this one our first warning night. Don't cry, come meet una say, make una leave us alone. no be dem be the first people to divorce on social media. No be dem be the first person wey carry their matter come social media. Una matter, dirty matter dey social media. Nobody dey talk about am. Una no wan rest for person own. Abeg my people, make una no fail to help me to like and share this video. If today na your first time when you dey come across this channel or this page, if you are watching from Facebook, you are watching from YouTube, please help me to follow this page, share, like, drop your comments. I love correction, okay? I dey like make person correct me. Drop your comments, okay? Help me to like, follow the page, share to your loved ones. If you are watching from YouTube, please subscribe for your girl. God bless you all. Help me to like the video. God bless you. I really appreciate una love, una support. You guys are so amazing. Stay blessed and see you all on my next video. Our American in-laws say, make una leave me and my wife alone. Okwo. When korra don carry America second Jesus Christ, America Jesus Christ come out, Obiere provoke. He say, make una leave me and my ex alone. Una don spoil my relationship for me finish. Una wan just destroy am finish. Una no want me I hide go settle with my ex. Make una leave me, I hide go settle with my woman. Una dey put fire, and una dirty for inside house. Nigeria women, so-called presenters, make una get una sense.